AirPods Pro actually use active noise cancellation rather than relying only on passive noise reduction for the ear tips. The level of noise cancellation on the Pro can be customized and can even be set to transparency mode to allow you to hear what's happening around you without taking off the headphones. There's basically no drawbacks to having it. The regular AirPods, unfortunately, don't offer any level of active noise cancellation and only offer a noise reduction effect by their tight seal. If you're planning on taking your Apple earbuds to the gym, you should probably pick up the more expensive AirPods Pro, as they're water-resistant IPX4. They are sweat and water-resistant compared to the non-water-resistant AirPods. In terms of finding the right fit, the AirPods Pro will offer more customization than the one-size-fits-all Apple AirPods. Inside the box, you'll find a number of ear tips, and if you're not sure which to use, Apple will even help you find the correct fit with a quick audio test and can tailor the sound to suit your ear structure. If you've ever felt uncomfortable when wearing a pair of in-ear headphones, it's because there's a small, annoying but not life-threatening pressure build-up inside your ear. To combat that, the AirPods Pro uses a very small pressure valve to reduce the pressure inside your ear, a feature Apple borrowed from the Powerbeats Pro. The buds themselves are internal microphones that can measure volume. These are absolutely crucial for effective noise cancellation, but, as an added bonus, can also be used for features like Adaptive Ec that optimizes sound quality for your physiology. While you won't find a massive difference in audio performance between the two AirPods, many folks have noticed a slightly wider soundstage and a slight uptick in overall clarity when using the AirPods Pro. That's likely because the AirPods Pro have a slightly larger frequency range and a slightly larger chamber that allows for the sound to expand more. This is really more of an aesthetic difference than a functional one, but the AirPods Pro are a bit shorter and stouter than the regular AirPods. The iconic tips of the headphones don't reach as far down your ear with the Pro, but they will cover up more of your ear due to their larger housing.